Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you use Runway ML AI tool. Here we can type Runway ML AI. This one is the official website that lets you create images and videos using AI. So first of all we need to click here, try Runway, and then create a free account. So you have multiple options. You can sign up with Google, and if you have Apple account then you can select this one. Third option with SSO. Okay, and now let me select my Gmail account, this one. Allow access. And then here you can add referral code. So if someone have referred you, then you can add that code, then you can also skip. And now let me close this one. Okay, back to review, then click here continue button. Here you can select one of the option. Let me select this one. And we can select this one, at least 3. Then let me zoom out. So this one is the button. Okay, now here we have multiple options, and now let me select this one, image, and here we can add, for example, let me add top 10 freelancing platforms, and here you can add different styles. Then click the generate button. Now here you can see it has started working on it, and within a couple of seconds we will get an image from this description. So guys, here you can see image is ready. Now you can also use this image in video, as well as you can make this image your favorite. You can share it with your friends. You can save it into your laptop, and if you want to get notifications, then you can click here enable button. Okay, now let's view this image. That's great.